Hey there guys, Chet here. Today I'm going to show you how to design beautiful email templates in Brevo. So by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create, customize, and design email templates that look clean, modern, and visually appealing inside of Brevo. But before we begin, if you're new to Brevo, you can get 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months using the link that I've put down in the description below. You'll also get access to my complete Brevo course, which walks you through everything you need to know to master the platform step by step. Now, with all that said, let's get started. First, make sure that you logged into your Brevo account. Now, once you're on the dashboard, look at the left-hand side menu and click on the Marketing tab. It will expand and show several sub-tabs. From those, click on Templates, and the Templates page will open on the right side of your screen. On this page, you'll see a list of existing templates. To create a new one, click on the Create Template button at the top right corner. Once you click, a new window will appear where you'll enter your basic template details. Start by giving your template a name, then specify your subject line and preview text. These are the first things your recipients will see when they receive your email, so make them short and engaging. Below that, fill out the From Email field with the email address you want your recipients to see. Then in the From Name field, enter the name of the sender, usually your company name or your personal name. Next, click on the Show Advanced Options link to reveal additional customization fields. Under Customize the Reply to Email Address, you can set the email address where replies will be received. You can either keep it the same as your sender email or change it to a different one if you prefer. Then under Customize the To field, you can personalize how the recipient's name appears. For example, instead of just showing their email address, you can display their first name by using contact attributes. Brevo also gives you the option to enable Google Analytics tracking, which helps you track your email campaign performance. You can also add tags for better segmentation, attach files, or include custom profile update form link for subscribers. Once all details are filled out, click on the Next Step button at the bottom of the page. After clicking, you'll be taken to the Templates library. This is where you'll see different types of templates that you can choose from, such as default template, sell a product, tell a story, register for an event, simple, or even the option to start from scratch. For this tutorial, let's say that we are designing a product promotion email. So we'll select rather the Sell a Product template and then click on it to proceed. Once you've selected that template, you'll be redirected to the Brevo editor, which is where all of the design magic happens. On the left side of the editor, you'll see three main options: Content, Style, and Aura AI. Under the Content panel, you'll find three tabs: Blocks, Sections, and Saved. The Blocks tab includes all the elements that you can use to design your email. You'll find options like title, text, image, button, logo, video, social, HTML, and payment link. To start designing, simply drag and drop these blocks into your email layout on the right side. If you're using a pre-built template like the product one we selected, most of the structure is already there. You just need to customize it. Begin by replacing the default logo with your own. Click on the logo section and upload your brand image. Then edit the main heading and tagline text to match your product's message. Plus, you'll need to replace any placeholder product images with your actual product images by clicking on the image and uploading a new one from your computer. Then update your product name, price, and a short description. You can adjust text, color, font, and alignment directly from the toolbar at the top of the editor. If you want to add new sections, you can easily do that too. For instance, to add a new paragraph, drag a text block and click inside it to type your content. Use the editing options to change the font, size, and color. To add images, drag the image block, then upload your image or pick one from your library. If you want to add a call to action button, drag the button block to the right side. Once added, you can edit the button text, link, and style. You can even adjust its shape and color to match your brand theme. To include your company logo again in the footer or header, drag the logo block and upload your logo image. You can also make your email interactive by adding videos, social media icons, or even an HTML block if you want to embed custom code. When you're happy with your layout, switch to the Style tab on the left. This is where you can control the overall look and feel of your email. You can change the background color, content width, font family, and text alignment. Play around with these settings until the email matches your brand's color palette and design style. Once your template looks perfect, it's time to preview it. So click on the preview and test at the top right corner of the editor. This will let you see exactly how your email will look on desktop and also mobile devices. If everything looks good, click on save and quit at the top right corner to save your design. Your newly designed email template will now be available in your Brevo account, ready to use in your next email campaign. All right, that is how you can design beautiful email templates in Brevo. We walked through how to create a new template, customize it with images, text, and buttons, and fine tune the overall design. And if you want to take your email marketing to the next level, don't forget to grab 50% off of Brevo's starter and business plans for 3 months using the link that we've put down in the description. Plus, you get my full Brevo course to help you become a pro even faster. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this one. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.